Hello students, myself Neetu, your maths teacher from 7 classes. In last videos we have seen what is standard form of quadratic equation and how to solve a quadratic equation by factorization method. In this video we will learn how to solve quadratic equation by a quadratic formula. And this quadratic formula was given by Brahmagupta and later it was worked on by Sridhar Acharya. So basically, this formula is a gift from our ancient Indian mathematicians, right? So we all know standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. इसी and from this equation, इसी equation से हमारा quadratic formula भी devise हुआ है, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d by 2a. ठीक है, अभी हम इसमें देखते हैं कि what does it actually mean. First, let us discuss about this capital D. Capital D is basically called discriminant. It is called discriminant. And discriminant D is equal to b square minus 4ac. ठीक है, जो ये डिस्क्रिमिनेंट है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला का. द वैल्यू ऑफ डी डिसाइड्स द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन. डी की वैल्यू कैसी है, वो पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव है या जीरो है, उसके बेस पे रूट्स डिसाइड होते हैं, वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स डिसाइड होती हैं कि क्या होंगी. ओके, सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स, देन वी विल सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स, इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू. सो ये क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, याद रखिएगा आप लोग. यू प्रैक्टिस बाय राइटिंग दिस फॉर्मूले, यू विल रिमेंबर in a better way. Okay, so d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So let us discuss about the nature of roots. Nature of roots totally depends on the value of d. सो ये हम लाइक आई सेड इसकी वैल्यू डी की किसी भी नंबर की वैल्यू या तो नेगेटिव हो सकती है या पॉजिटिव या जीरो. सो 3 केसेस हुए. सो केस बाय केस हम डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्ट लेट केस नंबर 1. ओके, केस नंबर 1 में हम एज्यूम करते हैं कि जो डी है वो ग्रेटर देन जीरो है. ओके, इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो इट मीन्स व्हाट, इट मीन्स आपका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट है वो पॉजिटिव होगा, जो भी वैल्यू आएगी वो पॉजिटिव आएगी, राइट. सो डी इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो, इट मीन्स बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो. सो जब डी की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आएगी तो हमारे पास कैसे रूट्स आएंगे, वी विल गेट 2 रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट रूट्स. Distinct roots. Okay, now what does it mean? It means that जो भी आपके रूट्स आएंगे वो रियल नंबर्स होंगे. रियल नंबर्स हमें पता है या तो रैशनल होगा या इरेशनल होगा. And what are real numbers? Any number which can be represented on a number line is a real number. So जो भी values, 2 values आएंगी. 2 क्यों आएंगी? क्योंकि जो quadratic equation की highest degree 2 है, तो इसको maximum roots 2 ही हो सकते हैं, उससे ज्यादा नहीं होंगे. So हमें 2 values मिलेंगी और वो values कैसे होंगी, वो real number होंगी और distinct means अलग अलग होंगी, एक जैसी नहीं होंगी. So 2 real and distinct roots. अब case number 2. In case of case number 2, let us assume that the value of discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, जो भी आपकी वैल्यू आ रही है वो 0 के बराबर है. It means what? It means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So if I put this value here, so it will be x is equal to minus b plus minus 0 upon 2a. Fine. So from here what we will get? We will get 2 values. It will be either x is equal to minus b plus 0 by 2a, or we can get x is equal to minus b minus 0 upon 2a. Now we know that any number added to 0 gives back the same number. So you will get minus b by 2a. What about this? What about minus b minus 0? We know that any number you subtract, there's a subtraction between minus b and minus 0. If you subtract 0 from any number, you will get back the same number. So it will be minus b by 2a, right? So clearly आप देख सकते हैं कि x की 2 values तो आ रही हैं, दोनों real हैं, पर same है, they are equal. So in this case, you will get 2 real roots, real and equal roots. सेम है, दोनों सेम है, रियल एंड इक्वल रूट्स, राइट. इन केस नंबर 3, what will happen in case number 3? What do you say? Okay, case number 3. First, like we discussed, d can be either positive or 0, and the third one is d is negative, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then d becomes negative. In that case, when we have negative value of the discriminant, then we will not get any roots which are real numbers. We will get imaginary numbers, or the numbers which are not real. So the numbers which are not real are called imaginary numbers. अभी तक आपने real number का system पढ़ा है. In number system, you are dealing with real numbers. With real numbers, we do have another set of numbers called complex numbers. और कॉम्प्लेक्स, जैसे रियल नंबर्स में रैशनल और इरेशनल नंबर्स होते हैं, वैसे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स में इमेजिनरी नंबर्स होते हैं. तो जो नंबर्स रियल नहीं होते वो इमेजिनरी नंबर्स होते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमें मिलेंगे इमेजिनरी नंबर्स, वो रियल नहीं होंगे. तो वी कैन सिंपली राइट नो रियल रूट्स. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So again, a quick revision of what we have done. Just standard form, according to the standard form of quadratic equation, by using quadratic formula, we can get 2 roots of the quadratic equation. So it is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d by 2a, right? So if I have to write properly, then I can write x is equal to minus b plus root d by 2a, and x is equal to minus b minus root d by 2a. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now let us do few questions so that the concept is more clear and you should know how to apply this formula in the questions. So here, so question number 1, the quadratic equation given is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? And you are asked to find the roots of this equation by quadratic formula. So let's start. Now we know the formula. Quickly write down the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root d by 2a. Okay, where d, what is d? D is the discriminant whose value is b square minus 4ac. So फर्स्ट हमें ये पता करना है कि इस इक्वेशन में ए बी सी क्या है. तो उसके लिए आप एक कॉलम बना लीजिए, एंड हियर यू कैन राइट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट आप लिखिए ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0. इस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So based on this, the value of a will be 2, b is equal to minus 7, or c है 3, right? So discriminant, first we have to find out the nature of roots, and then we have to proceed. So step number 1, you will write down the formula. Step number 2, you will substitute the values of a, b and c, right? Then step number 3, find the discriminant. Find the nature of the roots. D की value positive है, negative है, 0. Then we will proceed further. So here D is, let us calculate. D is, B square is what? Minus 7 square minus 4. A is 2 and C is 3. Okay. So carefully, minus 7 square means minus 7 into minus 7, that is 49. Minus 4 into 2, 8, 8 3s are 24. So when you calculate, you will get 25. Okay, so D, value of D is discriminant is 25, and we know 25 is greater than 0. So one thing is for sure, that we are going to get two real and distinct roots of this equation. Now we will substitute this value of D in the quadratic formula and calculate. So x is equal to minus, ये तो फॉर्मूला का ही माइनस है, b की वैल्यू क्या है -7, पुट -7 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 25 upon 2a, 2 into 2. Okay, be very careful when you are substituting and take care, do not do calculation error. Okay, minus minus plus, plus minus root 25. Root 25 is what we know. Root 25 is square of 5. 5 square, square and square root will get cancelled. 5 will be left here. So you can write here 5, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, but have we completed the solution? नहीं, अभी solution complete नहीं हुआ है. We have to work on the roots. So now x is equal to, now plus and minus two signs are there, and we know quadratic equation की दो roots होंगी, two roots. So here पहले आप plus sign ले लीजिए, 7 plus 5 upon 4, then it will be 7. This will imply x is equal to 7 plus 5, 12 by 4. When you cancel, you will get 3. Okay, now again x, we will take the subtraction sign, 7 minus 5 by 4. So this will give you 2 by 4, and when you cancel it, you will get 1 by 2. Okay, so now we got two roots of the quadratic equation. So you can write here final answer statement, roots of the quadratic equation is 3 and 1 by 2. Okay, so these are the roots, these are the values of x, 3 and 1 by 2, which will satisfy the given quadratic equation. राइट, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में हमने देखा कि जब डिस्क्रिमिनेंट पॉजिटिव है, सो हाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द रूट्स. लेट अस टेक अनदर क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो लेट इट बी 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. फाइन. सो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है जी, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में चेक करते हैं. अगेन वी विल हैव अ रफ कॉलम here. Okay, now you will write the standard form first, then substitute the values. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है उसी बेस पे आपको वैल्यूज लिखनी है. So a is equal to 4, b is 4 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Write down the formula here. Quadratic formula क्या है? Quadratic formula है x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d by 2a. Okay, and what is discriminant here? What is d? Yes, d is b square minus 4ac. Fine. So like I said, after writing the quadratic formula and substituting the values of a, b and c, we have to check whether discriminant is negative, positive or 0. Accordingly, we will proceed for the solution part. So here b square, what is b square here? 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 ac, right? Now 4 root 3 whole square को आप कैसे solve करेंगे? 4 root 3 square is what? 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. इसको और थोड़ा break कर सकते हैं. 4 root 3 can be written as 4 into root 3 multiplied by 4 into root 3. So 4 into 4, 16, and we know root 3 into root 3 is 3. So that will be 16 3s are 48. So here it will be 48. 4 into 4, 16. 16 3s are 48. Okay, so 48 minus 48 is 0. Right? So here value of discriminant is 0. So we know that when value of discriminant is 0, it will have two equal real roots, right? So now let us start solving. X is equal to minus b, minus, this minus is of the formula, it has to be written every time. Minus b is 4 root 3, 4 root 3 plus minus root d, we got 0 here, upon 2a, 2 into 4. So when you can solve it like this, minus 4 root 3 by 8, and we can, when you will simplify it, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So you will get here minus root 3 by 2. Okay, but here what we have, it is plus minus 0. So directly also you can write, but like we are doing it first example of this sort. So for simplification, I am showing you how to do it. See here, x is equal to minus 4 root 3. It is plus minus 0. So it will be plus 0 by 8. So it will be 4 root 3 by 8. And you will get minus root 3 by 2. Okay, when you subtract, then also you will get the same value. Minus 4 root 3 minus 0 by 8. So it will be minus 4 root 3 by 8, that is minus root 3 2. Okay, and like I always say, quadratic equations highest degree is 2. So we will be having two roots. They can be equal roots, they can be different roots for real numbers. So here there are not two different roots, they are the same roots. So when d is equal to 0, when the discriminant is equal to 0, the quadratic equation has two real and equal roots. So two real, and real means real numbers है, हाँ, equal है, दोनों same है. So two real and equal roots are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Okay, so in last example, we saw when d is positive, then how to solve it. And in this example, when d is equal to 0, then what type of roots we are getting? We are getting two real and equal roots. Fine. Now, one more example, let us see. Question number 3. What will happen if we have a discriminant which is negative? So here, let me write the quadratic equation. 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. So by now you must have understood the steps. So सबसे पहले आपको quadratic formula लिखना है. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root d by 2a. And we know discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. And like, draw a rough column here. Write the values. Write the standard form first. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2. B is equal to, this is x here. So when we don't have any number before a variable, the number is always 1. Because how you get x? You multiply 1 into x and you get x. So the numerical coefficient of x is 1. So it is 1 here, and c is equal to 4. So substitute these values. This will be 2b square, no? So b square will be what? 1 square. 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4. So this is 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. So here 1 minus 32 is minus 31. Negative number, less than 0. So here the discriminant is less than 0. It is negative. So in that case, we know that when the value of the discriminant is negative, then the quadratic equation has no real roots. So you can write here no real roots, no real roots. And the question, the solution will end here. If you get discriminant less than 0, it is negative, then you will simply write the quadratic equation has no real roots, and you will stop the solution there. Okay, fine students, hope you have understood this. So do practice, keep on revising the concepts. In next video, we will learn how to do day-to-day problems based on these quadratic equation formula and by factorization, how to apply these formula in day-to-day applications, that is word problems हमें कैसे solve करना है in concepts के base पे. We will see that. It's going to be a very interesting video, so do check on it. Okay, then keep practicing. Take care. Bye.